Hey, good morning, guys. We made it to Slateford Creek in Pennsylvania. We're going out taking some pictures. We're crazy. It's snowing like crazy. This is Dominic, everybody you know. Say hi.
Go away.
Yeah, he doesn't like cameras. You still got to break him in. I don't know, we're going to go chase a waterfall. Hopefully we can get down there and take some nice pictures. But I don't know if I'm going to bring this camera. Maybe I will. Alright guys, I gotta record on my GoPro because it is snowing hard. I don't want to damage my other camera. It's not weather sealed. What's up now? Say hello to my fans. I guess not. Alright, well, we're heading to this waterfall. Hopefully we find it. But nice snowy landscape photography today. I'm going to try to hike this trail here. He's checking out the trails right now. Warning. Says a federal fence. Yeah, it's a fence. I don't know what's in here, but we'll figure it out. Are we going the right way? Hopefully we'll find our way back. Alright, we're following Dom. What we do is what we're doing. Try to find. Ooh, what's that? A woodpecker? This is what we do. Try to find waterfalls. I think that's down there. That's steep, bro. That's fucking steep. Hell no. I hear it. It's that way. Alright, came to the wrong side. Gotta walk up the other way. Yeah.
So whoever did this trail,
They went inside by person.
they went by foot.
They're crazy. Alright guys, so we found the trail. Well, Dominic found the trail. We saw the first two waterfalls. There was two waterfalls there, right?
Yeah.
We saw the first two waterfalls, but they were way down. So hopefully we go to the furthest one, which I think is the biggest one, and then walk it back on the bottom, see if we could get the other two waterfalls. But they look great, man. I like it. Look at the environment we're in. We're hiking this up, baby, or down, whatever you want to call it. But so far, we're on the right path. Dominic's over there leading. Dom, say hi for my fans. There you go, finally. He didn't speak, but he said hi. Oh, what's that? On the structure there. You go down? Atiendo.
The hole.
For what? To jump in? I don't know if you guys can see that.
Pretty nice. How do I trust that thing?
No, right? And that was your first picture, boom, fall right down. Alright. Hopefully we come up to our first composition.
First one is right here.
That's nice. But we got to get low, right?
You gotta get down there.
We got to get down there. So I guess the first one, there's no subject.
No ropes in there.
No rope. Hold on. But why don't, the trail goes up more. Why don't you go see that one first?
I want to take a picture of this thing.
Be careful, bro. Easy. Was it hard? Was it hard? So we made it down here to our first waterfall. We got a little wet, but it's all right. We took a couple of images of this flowing water coming down this big rock. There was a lonely tree, tiny tree there. That was our main subject. I also found this log here where Dom's standing right behind him. What's up, Dom?
And so gloves are wet.
His gloves are wet. He dropped his gloves in the water. So we're gonna head back up and head down more. That's your phone? There's the big waterfall. Alright. It's like raining ice right now. I'm sorry about the audio quality. I am using my GoPro. A lot of walking. So, well, I think we're coming up to the main waterfall, which is the big one. Such a beautiful scenery here. So we drove in this weather only because we wanted to get right here. Guys, look at this place. This place is absolutely stunning. Oh my God. I just hope we don't fall and bust our butts. How do you get down there? I guess I follow him. You could go down that way? Wow. I need a picture of this. Oh yeah. Hold on, guys. Gotta zip her up. I lose my stuff. Hold on. Holy crap. All right, I made it. Whew. Dom's already there. Wow, this place is stunning. Dom, nice, right? Beautiful. Good job, baby. This is the beauty of going out, getting out there, and just go and take some pictures, guys. It's nothing like an adventure. Just exploring the woods. Just gotta make sure I don't bust my butt. But we're getting down there. But look at this. Look at these views. Look at these views, guys. Unbelievable. You got nice leading lines here that go into the waterfall. You got ice coming down the mountainside. Stunning, stunning, absolutely stunning. All right, I'm gonna get my gear ready and I'm gonna take a shot. We made it literally to the waterfall. No. He's happy. Look at the waterfall, guys. Oh my God, it's beautiful.
One wet hand, one wet foot.
He fell with his leg all the way in, and then the glove fell. Oh, that is the beauty of going to take landscape photography, huh? After Dominic is done, I'm going to take his spot so I can take this whole area and see how it comes out. So far, so good. It was worth it.
If we walk up here, we'll be right where the car is.
Yeah, right. Was it worth it, Dom?
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, definitely worth it. Look at these views, guys. Great views. Snow's starting to come down heavy. We're going to another location. What are we doing? We're going home. We're going to go to another location. Now we got to hike this out and get into our trucks. Look at those trails we're doing. Here, down there, up that way. If we fall in there. This is when we need the spikes. Sideways. Sideways. All right, good. We made it. It's all uphill from now. All right, guys. All these images that we're taking, I will be posting them at the end of the video with all the settings. Yes, one thing is that you got to bring a lot of lens cloth and micro fiber cloths to wipe down your lenses. All right. What? Whew.
Somebody's where's Molly?
We're out of breath. We climbed, excuse me, the steepest mountain ever. We were lazy not to walk around. His idea. Oh, but we made it right back to our truck. Straight run up. Or else it would have been what, 2.5 miles?
Huh?
2.5 miles back, right?
Oh my God.
Yeah. We got here in a quarter mile. Whew. Oh my God. It's beautiful. Truck's right there. Oh my God. Out of breath. So far so good, Dom, huh?
Yeah, here's cigarettes.
Yeah. No more smoking. Alright guys, we're gonna get changed in the truck. Alright guys, we're back in the truck.
Ice.
He's always like, he fell. He dropped his glove in the water. Then after when we found the waterfall, he fell with his whole leg in the water. But it was worth it, man. The waterfall was absolutely stunning. It was great. Coming now? We're just shocked because instead of walking the 2.5 mile back, we went up the hill, which we got here real quick. It was a lot of work. All right, we're heading to another spot right now. In this vlog, I am going to be using my GoPro because it's snowing heavily, so I don't want my camera getting wet. It's not weather sealed. All right, so we're off to the next location. Be right back. All right, guys, we are driving. Dominic.
Go away.
He hates cameras. Oh. All right, so we're going to Digman's Falls. That's our other location. We're actually driving there right now. A lot of nice creeks and rivers on the way. They look beautiful, but you can't pull over because they'll probably smash my truck. But yeah, I think we got like another 20 miles to go. So once we get to that area, we will begin our second journey. Hopefully there's not a lot of climbing and ice like this other spot that we were at. But we're in the good old state of Pennsylvania. Alright guys, so basically as you can see, we were heading to our next location, Digman's Falls. We didn't actually end up going there because due to the weather, it was snowing heavy, raining ice. The weather was really bad, and they closed the park down. So what we did is we ended up going up to somewhere in upstate New York, and we stopped by like a river to look to see if there was any eagles. There was eagles, like 3-4 eagles, but they were like far away, so we really couldn't get any nice images of them. And plus the weather was horrible, so every time we had our lens up and trying to shoot, just water was getting on the lens and it wasn't working. But yeah, so basically that day we had a great time. I didn't record a lot because due to the fact of going through the trails to find this waterfall, there was a lot of up and down and very narrow trails. So, and I needed just to grip on everything that I could have found in front of me because of my foot injury. So we did find the waterfalls. The first two that we passed, they were very steep down the mountain, so we didn't end up going to that one, but we did take some great images of the little waterfall before we got to the main one. But the main one was absolutely stunning, beautiful. I wish we had more time to stay there. I mean, we didn't bring spikes to walk on the ice. There was a lot of ice. I mean, we could have gone to the other side of the waterfall and take a nice image, but we didn't do it because we had to go around over a creek, and it was a lot of ice. I mean, my friend Dominic, he didn't fall with his feet in the creek, and he was cold. So anyway, guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. I know it wasn't like a greatest video out there, or you know, it wasn't like the most cinematic video, but I just captured as much as I could have of where we went. So I hope you enjoyed it. If you like it, hit the thumbs up on it. I mean, if you don't like it, do what you want to do. If you have any comments, leave them down below, and I'll see you guys in the next videos. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button, all right, and the notification bell. So thanks for watching, guys, and I'll see you on the next video. Peace out.